Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Azhar Ali, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, Sarhad University, Peshawar, and you welcome back to this study. Dear students, today in this first video lecture of week 8 for the course Applied Mathematics 2, we are going to learn about the orthogonal trajectories and rectangular coordinate system. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the definition of orthogonal trajectories.
An orthogonal trajectory of a family of curves is a curve that intersects each curve of the family orthogonally, that is, at right angles. Suppose you see here, this is one curve and these are the other curves. So this is one family of curve and this is other family of curves. So this curve intersect these other curves as a 90-degree angle. So this is a orthogonal trajectory. So an orthogonal trajectory of family of curve is a curve that intersects each curve of other family orthogonally, that is at right angles. So this is the orthogonal trajectory because this curve intersects all these curves at 90-degree angle. Now suppose that we have a family of curves given by the function f. F is a function of x and y. So suppose we have a family of curves given by this function f of xy is equal to 0, and another family of curves as g of xy is equal to 0, such that at any intersection of the curves of the first family with a curve of the second family, the tangents of the curves are perpendicular. Orthogonal trajectories, therefore, are two families of curves that always intersect perpendicularly. So let us consider the example of two families. This is a family of lines, y is equal to mx. This is equation of lines, so this equation represents a family of lines, and y square plus x square is equal to c square. This is another family of curves. Now if we draw the two families together on the same graph, we obtain, since this is a family of lines, so these are lines, the blue colors are lines, and this is the family of curves, so these are the curves. Red colors represent the curves, so red color represent the curves, and this blue lines represent the family of lines through this equation. So dear students, note that each line, for example, we consider this first line. This line intersect this curve at 90 angle. This curve also intersect at 90 angle. Also this line intersect this curve at 90 angle. So you see here lines intersects the curves at 90-degree angle. So this is the orthogonal trajectory. Now how to find an orthogonal trajectory for a given family of curves? There are some procedures. So first of all, suppose we have given a family of curves. This is the given family of curve, and we want to find other orthogonal family for this curve. So in the first step, how to find an orthogonal curve for this curve? In the first step, find the differential equation of this curve equation. So first of all, find the differential equation for the given family of curves. By differentiating this function, we obtain the differential equation of the given family of curve. Dy by dx is equal to f. Suppose this is the differential equation of the given family of curve. Now in second step, find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. This is required to find an equation of the orthogonal trajectory for this family of curve. So here we are going to find an orthogonal trajectory for the given curves of family. So when we have a given family of curve, then first of all differentiate the given family of curve, differentiate the given equation, and this differentiation gives us the slope of the first curve of family. So now find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. The differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory will be dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over f, or dx by dy is equal to minus f of xy. And then by separating of variable and after taking integration this equation, we obtain the algebraic equation of the required family of orthogonal trajectories. So dear students, in these three steps, note that the one family of curve is given, and we want to find other orthogonal family of curves. So first of all differentiate the given equation, and then for the orthogonal trajectory find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory taking the negative reciprocal of this differential equation, because this is the slope of the first curve of family, this is the differential equation of first family of curves, and this is the differential equation of second orthogonal family of curves. So why we take the negative reciprocal? Because when two geometrical figures are perpendicular, orthogonal means perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal. So this is the slope of the first family of curve, dy by dx is the slope of the first family of curve, and dy by dx minus 1 over f is the slope of the required orthogonal family of curve. So when two geometrical figures are orthogonal, then their slopes are negative reciprocal, and in other words we can say that the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So first of all differentiate the given equation, we get the differential equation of the given family of curve, and then at second step find the differential equation of the required orthogonal curve. To find the differential equation of orthogonal curve, for this purpose taking the negative reciprocal of this slope, we obtain the differential equation of the required orthogonal curve, and after separating variable, applying the integration, you will get the required algebraic equation like this equation, the required algebraic equations of the second orthogonal family of curves. Now suppose let's move an example. Consider the family of parabola y is equal to x square plus c. This is the given equation of given family of curve. Find the family of curves which intersect this family of parabola perpendicularly. So in this question we have one family of curves and we required to find the other orthogonals family of curves. So as I have already told you in the procedure, there's first of all differentiate this given family of curve. Differentiate this equation with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2x. By power rule, the derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of constant c is 0. Hence the family of parabola in equation satisfied the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 2x. Now two curves intersect perpendicularly if the product of the slopes of the tangents at the intersection point is minus 1. So dear students, as I have already told you that this is the given family of curve and we are going to find the orthogonal family of curves. So first of all differentiate the first family of curve, differentiate the given equation, you will get the slope of the tangent of the first family of curves, and then find the differential equation, mean find the slope of the tangents of the orthogonal trajectories. So when two tangents are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal. So And this equation you see here, this is the differential equation of the first given family of curve. So now taking the differential equation, taking the slope of the tangent of the required orthogonal trajectory. So for this purpose, taking the negative reciprocal of this differential equation, we obtain dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over x. And this is the differential equation of the required orthogonal family of curve. Now by separation of variable, we obtain dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over 2x, and by separation of variable we obtain dy is equal to minus 1 over 2 integration of 1 over x. First of all, separate the variable, join the dx operator with the 2x, and the operator dx not will be in the denominator. Similarly, dy also not will be in the denominator. So for the separation of variable, we obtain dy is equal to minus 1 over 2 1 over x. Now taking integration of the left hand side and right hand side, we obtain the integration of dy is equal to y, and the integration of 1 over x is log x plus c. This is the constant of integration. Now the figure on the right, this figure shows these two orthogonal families of curves. So dear students, you see here, this is equation of lines. Suppose these are lines, and these are the curves. The red line, the red color represent the given curves. So because this is the given equation of curve, this equation represent curves, and this required equation which we have find here, this equation represent equation of line. So these blue colors represent by this equation, and the red color curves represent by the given equation of curve. So these are orthogonal trajectories. These are orthogonal trajectories because each line intersects all these curves at 90-degree angles. So these are the orthogonal trajectories, orthogonal family of curves. Now another example, find the orthogonal trajectories of all parabolas with the vertices at the origin and foci on the x-axis. Y square is equal to 4ax. This is a given equation, and this given equation now can be written as y square divided by x, dividing both sides by x is equal to 4a. This is equation number 1. Now as I have already told you in the first step, that first of all find the differential equation of the given family of curve. So taking the derivative by quotient rule, we obtain first integration of second, first derivative of second minus second derivative of first, divided by square of the denominator, and the derivative of 4a is 0 because 4a is a constant. Now by using chain rule, 2y dy by dx minus y square, and the derivative of x is 1. Now by separation for the separation of variable, shift this term y square on the right hand side, or simple we can say that adding and subtracting y square on both sides and dividing both sides by y, we obtain dy by dx is equal to y by 2x. So adding and subtracting, first of all adding and subtracting y square, and then dividing both sides by 2y, we obtain dy by dx is equal to y divided by 2x. So this is the differential equation of the given family of curve. Now to find the differential equation, to find the slope of the tangent of the required orthogonal trajectory, taking the negative reciprocal of this slope. So the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by y. So this is the differential equation, or in other words we can say that this is the slope of the tangent of the required orthogonal trajectory, and this is the slope of the given family of curve. Now in second step, to find the algebraic equations, solve this differential equation by separation of variable. Here we can use separation of variable because this equation easily solved by separation of variable. So using the cross product, minus y dy is equal to 2x dx. Now taking integration, we obtain integration of 2x with respect to x plus shift this term to the right hand side, and we see here 2x dx plus y dy is equal to 0. So the integration of 2x with respect to x and the integration of y with respect to y and the integration of 0 is a constant. So the integration of x is x square divided by 2 to cancel, and the integration of y is equal to y square divided by 2. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we can write the solution as 2x square plus y square is equal to 2c. This is the algebraic equation of the required orthogonal trajectories. Now here exercise for you, dear students, try yourself to find the orthogonal trajectories of each of these family. X square minus y square is equal to c. I want to give you some hints. First of all, taking the derivative of this equation, you will get the differential equation of this given family of curve, and then taking the reciprocal of the differential equation, you will get the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. First of all, taking the derivative of this given family of curve, you will get the differential equation. You will get the slope of the tangent of this given family of curve, and then taking the negative reciprocal of the slope to find the slope of the required orthogonal to find the slopes of the tangent of the required orthogonal trajectory. So after that, solve the differential equations of the orthogonal trajectory, you will get the algebraic equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. Similarly, we use the procedure for question number 2 and for question number 3. Now some applications of orthogonal trajectory. Equipotential lines and electric. These are electric field lines. These red color represent the field lines, and all these curves represent the equipotential lines. So dear students, note that these lines intersect the potential lines at 90 angle. These lines intersect this curve, this curve, this curve, this curve. So the red color line you see here intersects all these curves. These are the equipotential lines, and this is the field lines. So you see here these field lines intersect all the curves, all the equipotential lines at 90-degree angle. So this is the orthogonal trajectory for this family of curve. Now electric magnetic waves consist of both electric and magnetic field waves. These waves isolate in perpendicular planes with respect to each other. So dear students, note that in this figure, varying electric field intensity and varying magnetic field intensity, and these are the wavelength and direction of the propagation of radiation. So you see here this line intersects these varying electric field intensity at 90-degree angle. So this is the orthogonal trajectory. And another example, a very simple example, the light rays of sun that passes through the orbits of the planet. Suppose this is sun and these are the orbits. So these are the sun rays. These sun rays intersects the orbits of the planet at 90 angle. Suppose this is an array of sunlight. So this ray intersect this curve, and this curve and this curve. So the sunlight rays intersects the orbits of planets at 90-degree angle. So this is the orthogonal trajectory for all for this family of curves. Suppose these are the curves. This is the family of curves, and this yellow curve represent the family of sunlight rays. So this yellow color family of geometrical and in other words we can say that this family of light rays of sun intersects the orbits of planets at 90-degree angle. So the yellow color card, these yellow color card are orthogonal trajectories for the family of curves which represent by orbits of planets. And